Hello, grade 8s. Based on the weekly check-ins, a lot of you are feeling very overwhelmed by the amount of assignments and the amount of work that you have to do. So what I want you to do is this. This is your only assignment for this week. You don't have to do the time capsule if you don't want to, but I do need you to do this, and I need you to share it with me. So full disclosure, I found this through the templates on Google Sheets, but I did add in this weekly schedule piece. So this is the assignment tracker. Now, I know, talking with some of you last week, Miss Van Ijderloo had you take pictures of something. So I have these little drop-down menus here. If you want to add anything, then you need to go over to this Subjects tab, and let's say go for a walk. Okay, you need to go for a walk. So I'm just going to add that in, and then if I go back here on this drop-down, we're going to have go for a walk. All right, so but I know for math science you were supposed to take some pictures. So take a picture of flora in the area. So those are like plants. You haven't started this yet. Once you're ready to get started, click on this down button and click on in progress, or this isn't going to take you very long, so click done, in progress. It might not take you very long, so it's going to be 15 minutes. This is how long it's going to take you. And then this is the start time, and this is whatever day it's due on. These already have formulas built in, so I'm not sure what this looks like. If we were to put in, this is today's date, right? But if we were to put in Monday's date, what would that look like? All right, so that's the assignment. That just gives you an idea of what you have to do, what you've done, and what you're working on right now. Okay, now the weekly schedule. So I did a couple of things. Here, I put a little comment. I want you to put the time that you start working here. The formula will calculate the rest of the time in 15-minute increments. You can see that there are 15 minutes there. So let's say you actually start at, I don't know, 10 a.m. It'll automatically pop down to 10:15, 10:30, whatever. Okay, I start at 8 o'clock. Oops, that last one too. 8 o'clock, so then I'm going to put it up. Now, every day of the week, I like to respond to emails at the beginning of the day. So responding to emails, I do that for about an hour. So I'm going to put, for a half an hour. So I'm going to put these two times together. So I've highlighted both of those cells, and then you're going to do what's called merge. So this puts those two cells together. You click on that, and you'll see that that's one cell now. And let's put a really cool color on there. I like the color blue. Ooh, cornflower blue. I like that. And I do, like I said, I do this every day. So I'm going to Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Okay, so that's what my mornings look like every single morning. We have staff meetings every morning from 8:30 until about 9. I like to be there for sure on the Mondays. So I'm going to type in staff meeting. And again, like I said, I'm going to be there for a half an hour because I need to start talking to you guys pretty soon. So I need to get ready for that. Let's change the color because I like to color coordinate things. So let's make it a pretty color. Okay. All right. So staff meeting. Also, one thing that I need to do is I need to make sure I get out for a walk. That's one thing I am neglecting on myself. So go for a walk. My classes, my meets don't usually start until about 10 o'clock. So I might go to 9:45 or so, that's a good walk. And I'm going to highlight this. Let's do purple. All right. So I just like to color coordinate. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Now, because I do want you to pay attention to this, you don't have to fill all these in if you don't want to. So perhaps you've decided that you only want, you only want to work from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. That's fine. You put 10 a.m. here and then just ignore the rest. This goes up to 2 o'clock. But I know for us, we do have some meets. So you do need to pay attention to that. I'm running out of time here, so I'll post this, and then if you have any questions, then you can ask me on our Tuesday meeting.